Hello everyone, let's prevent the solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to power t multiplying by 5 to power t. This is equal to 50. So what is the value of t? Now we find that this exponential function is actually in the form of 8 to power n multiplying by 8 to power m, which you can express as 8 to power n plus m. Applying this exponential property, this exponent property, we'll have 5 to power t plus t. This is equal to 50. So that means that this is 5 to power 2t. This is equal to 50. To solve for the value of t, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides so that we'll have log 5 to power 2t. This is equal to log 50. So log 5 to power 2t, this is actually in the form of log 8 to power n, which we can transform as n log a. So applying this power rule property, we find that log 5 to power 2t becomes 2t log 5. This is equal to log 50. So let's divide both sides by log 5. Okay, log 5. So that now here we'll have 2t is equal to log 50 divided by log 5. Now we can express 50 basically as 25 multiplying by 2. So we can express 50 as 25 times 2. So let's substitute this. We'll have 2t. This is equal to log 25 multiplying by 2. All this divided by log 5. So the next step here, log 25 times 2. So log 25 times 2, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, now we'll have 2t. This is equal to log 25 divided by log 5, then plus log 2 divided by log 5. So let's proceed. So we have 2t. This is equal to log 25 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Now from what you have here, we can express 25 as 5 to power 2. So we'll have 2t. This is equal to log 5 to power 2 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So the next step here, we'll have 2t. This is equal to log 5 to power 2, applying the power rule property, that is log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, we'll have 2 log 5, okay, divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So log 5 here simplifies so that we'll have 2t. This is equal to 2 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Now log 2 divided by log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this property so that now we'll have 2t. This is equal to 2 plus log 2 to base 5. So let's divide both sides by 2 so that now t is equal to, now if you simplify here, this is the same thing as 1 plus half log 2 to base 5. So this is the value of t. This is the value of t. So let's verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation. If you recall, we end at 5 to power t multiplied by 5 to power t. This should give us a value of 50. So here we have 5 to power t multiplied by 5 to power t. This should give us a value of 50. So let's substitute the value of t. So you'll have 5 to power 1 plus a half log 2 to base 5 multiplied by 5 to power 1 plus a half log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. Okay. Now we find that this is actually in the form of 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m, which we can express as 8 to power n multiplied by plus m. Let's apply this property so that we'll have 5 to power. Now this is the same thing as 5 to power 2 multiplied by 1 plus a half log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. Now the next step here, let's open the parentheses so that we'll have 5 to power 2 times 1, this is 2, plus 2 times a half log 2 to base 5. Let's simplify here. So plus log 2 to base 5, this is equal to 50. Now we have that 5 to power 2 plus log 2 to base 5. This is again in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. So let's transform in this way. So we'll have 5 to power 2 multiplied by 5 to power log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. Now the next step here, we find that 5 to power 2, this is actually equal to 25. So here we'll have 25 multiplied by 5 to power log 2 to base 5, which is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is actually equal to a. Applying this property, then 5 to power log 2 to base 5, this should give us a value of 2. Okay, so let's substitute this value of 2 here. So we have 25 times 2. This should give us a value of 50. And it's true that 25 times 2, this is actually equal to 50. And that shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of t, which is basically 1 plus a half log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.